Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how to delete the iCloud storage. So what you need to do is just go to the settings here and then go to the your account setting, and then there's an iCloud option over here. Just go over there, and then there is storage option. Okay, then tap on here. It will open up all the storage store in your iCloud, and what you need to go is just check out the apps that are using your iCloud storage. As from my case, there are 1.7 GB of iCloud data stored, and 5 GB iCloud data which will be given to every user for free. Okay, so like if I don't want my iCloud photos or I want to free up my iCloud storage space, I can select any app like this, which will be listed below, and it will open up like this. And if I turn off and delete the photos, it will remove all the data from my iCloud and free up the space on my iCloud. Okay, so that's how you can delete the iCloud storage very easily from your iPhone and free up your storage like this. All the data from my photos has been deleted to my iCloud account and free up the space. Okay, it is just using 25 MB of data out of 5 GB. So that's how you can free up your space. You can select any app from here and delete the data which you don't require to be stored on iCloud. So that's how you can do it. Until next video, bye bye.